Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. I hope you do remember what you have learned in previous lesson. You can always go and watch that lesson again and revise everything you have learned. Alright, now let's move towards our today's lesson. Now let's learn to say fast in Urdu. So in English, fast, and in Urdu, tez. Tez. Fast, tez. Then in English we say slow, and in Urdu it is ahista. Ahista. Slow, ahista. Let's repeat one more time. In English we say fast, and in Urdu, tez. Tez. Then in English we say slow, and in Urdu, ahista. Ahista. Repeat and revise, okay? Alright. We say it is fast. In English we say it is fast, and in Urdu, ये तेज है. ये तेज है. Then in English we say it is slow, and in Urdu, ये आहिस्ता है. Let's repeat one more time. In English we say it is fast, and in Urdu, ये तेज है. Then in English we say it is slow, and in Urdu it is ये आहिस्ता है. ये आहिस्ता है. Repeat and revise, okay? Alright, you have already learned counting from 1 to 30. Let's learn number 31 in this lesson. However, let's repeat 29, 30 and 31 one more time, okay? 29, 29, 29, 29, 30, 30, 30, 30, 29, 30, 29, 30, 29, 30, 29, 30. Now let's learn to say 31 in Urdu. 31, 31, 31, 31. Now let's repeat all three numbers in English and in Urdu both, okay? 29, 29, 30, 30, 31, 31, 29, 29, 30, 30, 31, 31, 29, 30, 31, 29, 30, 31, 29, 30, 31. Repeat and revise, okay? Alright, now let's revise some sentences that we have already learned in our previous lessons, okay? So, we say, what is your name in English? And in Urdu it is, आपका क्या नाम है? आपका क्या नाम है? Then in English we say, my name is dash. Whatever your name is, you are going to say that here. You are going to tell your name. And in Urdu it is, मेरा नाम dash है. So in the dash you are going to fill with the name, of course your name. What is your name? आपका क्या नाम है? My name is dash. मेरा नाम dash है. Then we say, what is your brother's name? And in Urdu it is, आपके भाई का क्या नाम है? What is your brother's name? आपके भाई का क्या नाम है? You can always ask the name of what is your father's name, what is your mother's name, what is your sister's name, what is your friend's name, and then mother, father, brother, you are going to say that in place of bhai. Alright, and you will say that in Urdu as you have already learned that as well. So to answer this question, you say, my brother's name is dash. Whatever your brother's name is, you are going to say the name here. And in Urdu it is, मेरे भाई का नाम dash है. And suppose it was your mother's name or father's name or sister's name, you would have said, मेरे अब्बू का नाम dash है, मेरी अम्मी का नाम dash है. Alright? So let's repeat these sentences one more time. What is your name? आपका क्या नाम है? My name is dash. मेरा नाम dash है. What is your brother's name? आपके भाई का क्या नाम है? Or what is your mother's name? आपकी अम्मी का क्या नाम है? Remember, for boys we use ka or ke, and for girls we use ki. Alright? Okay, then my brother's name is dash. मेरे भाई का नाम dash है. Repeat and revise these sentences again and again, okay? Alright, now let's revise a few more sentences. I am a girl. In English we say, I am a girl. And in Urdu it is, मैं एक लड़की हूँ. Or you can always say, मैं लड़की हूँ. Or if the boy is saying, he says, I am a boy. And in Urdu it is, मैं एक लड़का हूँ. Or it could always be, मैं लड़का हूँ. Then we say, I am 6 years old. Of course, you are going to say how old you are. So, suppose it is 6. So, we are saying, I am 6 years old. And in Urdu it is, मैं 6 साल की हूँ if you are a girl. And if you are a boy, you are going to say, मैं 6 साल का हूँ. Okay? Then we say, I am happy. And in Urdu it is, मैं खुश हूँ. Let's repeat these sentences one more time. I am a girl. मैं एक लड़की हूँ. I am a boy. मैं एक लड़का हूँ. I am 6 years old. मैं 6 साल की हूँ. और मैं 6 साल का हूँ. Then I am happy. मैं खुश हूँ. और if you say I am sad, then it is, मैं उदास हूँ. Repeat these sentences and revise, okay? Alright, so here, this is the end of our today's lesson. Watch this lesson again, repeat and revise the sentences again and again, and practice speaking in Urdu. I will see you with next lesson, inshallah. Till then, remember in your prayers, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.